In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add your Gmail account to Outlook Office 365. To begin, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you are signed in to the Gmail account you want to use. Once you are on your inbox screen, look to the top right and click the Settings gear icon. In the quick panel that opens, select See All Settings. This takes you to the full settings page, where you can control how Gmail connects to other email services. Next, along the tabs near the top of the settings page, click Accounts and Import. This section is where Gmail manages linked email addresses and importing options. Scroll until you find the area labeled Check Mail from Other Accounts. This is the feature that lets Gmail connect to another mailbox so you can receive those messages alongside your Gmail email. In that section, click Add a Mail Account. A new window will pop up. In the field provided, type your Outlook Office 365 email address, then click Next. Make sure you enter the address carefully, because Gmail will use it to set up the connection and request permission from Microsoft. On the next screen, select Link Accounts with Gmailify, which is the recommended option, and then click Next. Gmailify is designed to create a more modern connection between Gmail and Outlook. It typically improves reliability and helps keep your mail synced more smoothly than older import methods. After you click Next, you will be prompted to sign in to your Microsoft account in a pop-up window. Enter your Microsoft sign-in details and complete any additional verification prompts that may appear, such as a security code. If the pop-up does not appear, check that your browser is not blocking pop-ups for Gmail. Once you are signed in, you will see a permission request asking to authorize the sync. Click Yes to approve access. This authorization allows Gmail to connect and sync the mailbox so messages can be checked through your Gmail account. After approval, allow a moment for the connection to finalize. You can return to your inbox and give it a little time for mail to start appearing, especially if you have a large mailbox. And that is all there is to it.